Hello everyone. In this video, I will walk you through the steps of registering for a web hosting. In the previous video, we discussed about different types of web hosting with their advantages and disadvantages. You have to choose a type of web hosting that meets your requirements. For beginners, I recommend a shared hosting. I have encountered many web hosting providers, but the one I always prefer for a shared hosting plan is a small orange because of its speed, reliability, and a very smart support team. Go to www.asmallorange.com. The top of the screen shows the most featured plans, as well as you can scroll down to see a plan that is suitable for you. You can sign up for a business hosting, reseller hosting, cloud VPS, or if you are a beginner, then I recommend a shared hosting for you. This window displays the most featured plan as well as some other plans that you may like. I am going to choose The second step is to choose a domain. If you don't have a domain, then you can register a domain over here. If you already have a domain, then click on I already own this domain. Type your existing domain in the respective box and then click on save. We don't want to transfer our domain to asmallorange.com, so we are going to leave this box unchecked for now. Enter your billing information now and the payment details. You can choose to add other products into your order, but for now I am leaving all these boxes unchecked. Review your order details now. You can apply a coupon code to get some discount. Go to www.asmallorange.com/coupons to see the available offers. Copy the code and paste it in the box for coupon codes, then click apply. You can see that the discount has been applied now. Check the box to agree to the terms and policy and then click place my order. The order has been successfully processed now. Don't forget to activate your hosting by verifying your email address that is associated with your AsmalLorange account. We have signed up for a web hosting as well as we have registered a domain now. So in the next video, we will talk about DNS configuration.